Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that might sound crazy, using a credit card to grow your money. Stick around, this is gonna blow your mind. What is a 0% purchase credit card? A 0% purchase credit card lets you borrow money without paying any interest for a set time. 12, 18, even 24 months of free borrowing. It's like an interest-free loan if used right. The scenario: $10,000 in cash. Now imagine you've got $10,000 in cash. You also have a 0% purchase credit card. Instead of spending the cash, you put your purchases on the card and stash your $10,000 in a high-yield account. The math: compound growth. Let's do the math. $10,000 in a 6% savings account grows to around $11,236 in 2 years. That's over $1,200 earned while you paid zero interest on your purchases. That's what I call smart money. Risks and rules. Now, before you go all in, let's talk about the risks. First, pay that card off before the promo ends. If you don't, that interest kicks in hard: 20%, 30%, or more. This trick only works if you're disciplined. The Smart Savers Game Plan. This isn't a cheat code, it's a strategy. Only spend what you were already going to. Let your cash grow while you delay payment. That's how investors think. Why this works: leverage. It's all about leverage. You're using someone else's money for free so yours can sit in the bank and multiply. You've delayed spending and earned passively in the process. Conclusion and call to action. So next time you're about to spend $2,000 or $5,000, ask yourself, can I make this purchase smarter? Use your 0% car. Let your money earn in peace. Like and subscribe if this helped, and share it with someone who needs it.